All right, let's discuss the second part of the case study, which is about the customer journey. And we do have 5 different steps here. You already know what the customer journey is. It's all the different touch points, all the different things your future or already existing customer does in order to keep him kind of alive in your cycle so that they hopefully buy again, leave a review, and spend more money on your product. Step 1 is the awareness phase. So this person is not a customer yet, but we want to show this person the brand and the products first. So in my example, this is Lisa, 27 years old, and a dog owner, obviously, which fits what we said here about our target group analysis. She scrolls through Instagram and sees a short reel, like a short video, of a dog playing with a Healthy Paws eco toy. So a toy from our collection. And she also finds a Google result for healthy dog treats and lands on our blog, which we have. Which is, if we go up to the channels again, which is obviously social media marketing. This could be organic with Instagram videos, or it can be a sponsored video, so paid video. And it's obviously content marketing for blog writing, but also good search engine optimization, okay? So this is step 1, which already combines at least, I would say 3 different channels. I mean, first one is Instagram, second one is Google to even find us, and the third one is then the website, which she can click on. We're not sure if she does that or did that here, but it's very likely that she will, just because she's already on the blog. Consideration, step 2. So she considers a purchase or just doing an interaction with our blog. She reads a blog article about 5 tips for healthier dog nutrition and subscribes to the newsletter for more tips. Newsletter, so the channel, email marketing. Like we said, this welcome email sequence with a 10% discount for first buyers. So she receives a welcome email offering a 10% discount. But she keeps browsing and doesn't buy yet. So she browses the shop, she knows we exist, she has seen our web shop already, which is very important, but she didn't buy yet. But she has this 10% discount in her email inbox. Then step number 3, conversion. A week later, Lisa sees a retargeting Google ad. Retargeting means here that we only want to target people who already interacted with our content. And this could mean this person already visited the website like Lisa did, or a person that's visited our social media accounts, which is also possible. In this case, it's obviously Google, so the website, showing the same eco toy, and we need something to convince her this time, free shipping. So she clicks, adds the toy and organic dog food as well to her cart and buys. Perfect. So here we finally now have a customer after about 2 weeks of using different channels here to, which is now paid ads, to simply get this ball rolling. Retention. After a purchase, Lisa receives an email with how to introduce organic food to your dog. Why does she do that? Because she is in this email newsletter. So if we have a sequence not only for the 10% discount, but also in order to give every week more information for the first, let's say 10 weeks, then this can keep her interacted. And she's also invited to the loyalty program, which could be an affiliate program. Let's say if she gets more people for us as customers, she gets 10% money, and because she likes the product so much, she recommends it to her friends. That could work. Or she gets cashback maybe or something else. So this is retention, just keeping her in this cycle. Best case, obviously, with more retargeting with Google or paid ads, or by simply sending her emails, also leading to social media to keep her interacted with funny videos. So this is mainly content marketing in this step. And then step number 5, advocacy. Lisa posts a photo of her dog with the eco toy on Instagram and even tags our brand, which is amazing because now we actually have people who know our email, our website, our social media, and bought already, and they interact with us and want us to repost and whatnot. So our brand on Instagram can now repost her content, and some of her friends follow the account maybe because she has it in her Instagram story. This would be the best case, as again, this is just one example. There could be many, many different customer journeys. If this is more offline than online, then obviously, or if it's both, then you can also include that. Maybe you do digital marketing, but for an offline restaurant, then this obviously looks a bit different. But this is for an online shop a very, very basic example.